Hi, I'm Christian. Hello and welcome to the fourth episode of our second season of Controlix Developer. Today's episode will be a little bit special because after setting up the Controlix core and programming a pick-and-place application, Christoph will show us today everything about Controlix safety. Am I right?
Yes, you are, Christian. But first of all, thanks for inviting me. I'm really excited to be here. I guess this is where I need to introduce myself and tell you why I'm in this episode.
Exactly.
So I'm Christoph, an application expert for drive systems. I'm part of the safety team for Controlix Automation, and today I want to show you Controlix safety and what's so unique about it.
Great. But let's start from the beginning. What is Controlix safety and why do we need it in our project?
Controlix safety is a family of compact safety controllers we developed for Controlix Automation.
Okay. Can you quickly explain the difference between safety and security?
Sure. Machine safety is necessary to protect the machine operator. So in case something goes wrong, we need to stop the machine as fast as possible.
And as I've learned during the first season of Controlix Developer, security takes care of the IT systems of a machine or the factory, so malware or hackers cannot penetrate into the system. If you want to learn more about this topic, just check out episode number 7 of our first season. So Christoph, why is safety so important?
Our control systems often run in machines or applications where access execute dangerous movements. This is why we need a technology inside these machines to monitor these processes in a reliable and certified way.
And what exactly makes Controlix safety stand out from other solutions? What's so special about it?
I've been waiting for that question.
I know.
So the main difference for sure is a compact form factor and the scalability. Furthermore, we support lots of different standard or safety protocols for communication. And last but not least, we have a tight and really easy integration of our Controlix drive, either by Safe.io, by Controlix Safety Link, or by a safe field bus like EtherCAT FSOE.
And our own safety bus, Controlix Safety Link, can communicate directly with the Controlix drive.
Yes, and it has an extremely fast reaction time if we connect our components over Controlix Safety Link. It has about 4 milliseconds in the main task and 1 millisecond in the fast channel.
That's amazing, especially compared to systems which rely on a field bus and can barely reach reaction times just below 30 or 40 milliseconds.
Indeed. And also engineering and programming is really easy with our Controlix Safety Engineering tool. But maybe it's best if I just show you how it works and how to create a safety application.
Good idea. But for those of you who don't know it yet, for each episode we provide a how-to video which explains everything step by step.
Exactly. But now let's have a quick look.
And you can just start Controlix Safety from the Windows Start menu.
Yes, you can download it together with our Controlix Works Engineering, and after installing it, you can start it either from the Controlix Works menu or just standalone.
And here we can see our programming environment.
Yes, and as you can see here on the right, we have our configuration elements. Just move them to the editor. So if you want to create a safety application for a robot cell,
like our pick-and-place application?
Yes, then you find all the configuration elements in here. Just move them to the editor by drag and drop. But let's skip this, because for today I have prepared a configuration.
Nice, looks very clear to me.
Yes, so let's have a look on the interface. Here on the top we have the main menu with settings for zoom and arrangements of the editor. And on the left we have the configuration tree where all the elements of our configurations are listed.
And in the middle you have the editor.
Exactly. And here we can switch between different schemes. The first one is a terminal scheme which shows our controllers and IOs. Here for example the SafeX C12, an emergency stop, a door switch, and an enable button.
So here you can create a configuration on the device level.
That's right. And then here you see the wiring scheme, which is also used for the validation check and for the configuration of the safety application inside the controller. The wiring here is done automatically but if needed in your setup, you can rewire them.
Basically, it shows the mapping between the safety IOs and the logic program.
Correct. And the next one is a functional scheme. Here we do all the logic.
Like in our example, if somebody opens the card, we guarantee that the machine will switch to a safe standstill. But you're still able to move the axis with the help of the connected enabling device, as long as the speed remains below the safe limited speed. And of course, we have programmed the reaction to the emergency stop button.
Yes, you got it. And the last one is a fast channel scheme, which runs in our extra fast task. This task runs in 1 millisecond instead of 4. And for our code implementation, we can use elements directly from the configuration tree. This makes it easy to find elements we want to reuse in our code.
I see. And on the right-hand side, we have our library with the components, where you can get all the elements which you use in our project.
Yes, and this is context sensitive, which means it only allows you to add elements you can combine.
So even I can hardly make any mistake.
Exactly. And if you click on one of the elements, you get the properties here in the window. Additionally, we have a message window here, and there you get information while compiling or while connecting to a device.
And there's also a search field there.
Yes. This is where we can search for references like block names. If you type in and search for enable, then we get a list of links where this name is in use. So we have a quick cross-reference.
Nice. This looks really easy to use.
It really is. This engineering tool offers endless possibilities to integrate our ControlX safety into different topologies.
Perfect. And if you would like to see the complete process of creating and testing a real safety application, just watch our how-to video, which is linked in the description below. Christoph, thank you so much for being here today and explaining the ControlX safety programming environment.
It was a pleasure.
I hope you will join us again on the next episode, where we are going to show you the implementation of a third-party app with a focus on a web-based HMI. Until then, stay safe and catch you on the next one to be 2 steps ahead.